Hi, I'm going to show you today these Jastek connectors. I plugged it in with my two tablets. It has like 6 connectors, one for USB 2.0, 2 for micro USB, 1 mini USB, and 1 USB Type-C, and for the iPhone, since I'm using the iPhone right now for this video. So I plugged it in right here, the USB, and I use the two micro USB for these two tablets. There is for the iPhone, and this one is for the mini USB, which you can use for the camera, and the USB Type-C. So they're both charging. Both of these. I can see them charging. So it's very convenient to use when you have 2 or more devices to charge. Yeah, let's say you could continue watching your video. At the same time, play with your.
初夏，对，这就是我的电话。那我们说好了，等会儿我就过去找你。我们一定要好好的聚一聚。好，那一会儿见。好。
Check it out on Amazon, and this is a free product that is in exchange for everything. So there you go, Jastek connectors. Thank you.